Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pump the tires for bicycles using a Xiaomi wireless air compressor. To do this, first you'll need to remove this wire right here by pulling it upwards like that, and then we need to take this extension which comes with the package, so don't worry, screw it in to that cable. And that actually depends on which tires you have, because on this specific tires I need to use this specific extension. Now we need to unscrew the cap from the tire. In this case there's also this protection lid that we need to unscrew a bit. Then place that extension tool inside. You can try to screw it in a bit, and then click on this button right here to start adjusting the pressure. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.